turn, turn. Back rock. Now the tag. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Back rock. Quick turn. And 7. Again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Quick turn. Step out. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Rock 7. Full treble. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Pivot 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Sweep behind, pitch, quarter, rock steps, pivot, turn, turn, and rock. Start again, rock, full treble, and pivots, cross rock, sweep behind, rock step, pitch, quarter, pivot, turn, turn, and rock. Tag, rock 1, 2, full turn, back rock 5, 6 and 7, and again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Quick turn, step out, tap, 1, 2, 3, start again. 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and pivot. Balls down. Cross rock. And rock again. It's quarter. Rock step. Pivot, turn, turn. Rock back. Rock forward on 1. Full treble. Now listen to the music. It changes. Pivot. Cross rock. Sweep. Rock step. Change, step change. Out. Tap. 2, 3. Start again. 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Jump together. And 7. Cross rock. So this is your last ball. Pitch it, quarter turn. Rocks. Last 8. Last 4, last 2,